today we will start exercise 12.3, areas related to circle, chapter number 12. So in exercise 12.3, question number 1 is find the area of serrate region. There is a circle. It has a diameter. And this is a triangle. This is Q, this is R, this is P. Now this portion is the serrate region. This portion is serrate region. We wish to calculate the area of serrate region. It is given that this PR is 7 centimeter and this is 14 centimeter. Now we can see that O is the center of the circle. We can see that below the diameter there is a semicircle. Below diameter there is a semicircle. So in semicircle there is a triangle. Inside the semicircle there is a triangle. So for calculating the area of serrate region, we have to do area of semicircle minus area of triangle. If you subtract triangle from the semicircle, you will get serrate region. If you subtract the triangle from the semicircle, this part is semicircle. If you subtract triangle from semicircle, you will get only serrate region. So first we will calculate the diameter of circle or semicircle. So it is given that PQ equals to 24 centimeter and PR is 7 centimeter. Now in right triangle, so triangles in a semicircle is always right triangle. Triangles in a semicircle is always right triangle. Since triangles in a semicircle is right triangle. So in right triangle RPQ, by using Pythagoras theorem, QR square equals to PR square plus PQ square. So QR square equals to PR is 7 square plus 24 square. So QR square equals to square of 7 is 49. Square of 24 is 576. So QR square equals to 625. If you add this, you will get 625. QR equals to root under 625. So what is the square root of 625? It is 25 centimeter. So you will get diameter. Therefore diameter equals to 25 centimeter and radius is half of diameter, that is 25 divided by 2 centimeter. After that, therefore area of serrate region. Area of serrate region is area of semicircle minus area of triangle. Leave this part because there is no any serrate region above the diameter. So we'll only consider below the diameter there is a semicircle and triangle. Okay, now area of serrate region is area of semicircle minus area of triangle. Area of semicircle minus area of triangle. Area of triangle RPQ. So we know that the area of semicircle is the half of area of circle. So it is 1/2 pi r square minus, what is the area of triangle? Area of triangle for right triangle, this is right triangle, this is Q, this is P and R. So PR, it is base, it is height, so area will be half into base into height. So area is half into base into height. Area of triangle is half into base into height. So we can write here half into base is PR and height is PQ. Now put the value. Half into value of pi is 20/7. Radius is 25/2 into 25/2 minus half into, here it is 7, PR is 7 and PQ is 14. PQ is 14 centimeter square. So we can cut 2 1 2, 2 11 22. Here also 2 1 2, 2, no, it is 24. It is 24. 24. 2 1 2, 2 into 12 is 24. Now multiply 6 to 5, 5 to 6, 5 7 8 6. So 11 into 25 into 25 is 6875 divided by 7 to 14, 14 to 28 minus here 7 12 84 centimeter square. So this equals to now take LCM is 28 6875 minus, now multiply 28 into 84, 84 into 28, 84 32, 8 8 64 67, 2 4 8, 2 8 16. Now add 2 1 8 4 32, 8 2 16, 8 8 64, 65 66 67. Okay, 2 4 8, here it is 8, 15 3 2. So this is 2352 centimeter square. Then 5 minus 2 is 3, 7 minus 5 is 2, 8 minus 3 is 5, 4 divided by 28 centimeter square. Now this is the answer of question number 1. Now move to question number 2. Question number 2 is, find the area of shaded region. We have to calculate this portion, this region, area of shaded region. In figure, if radii of two concentric circles, these are the concentric circles. So radii are concentric circles with center O. From center O, the radii are 7 cm and 14 cm. So OB is 7 cm and OC is 14 cm. This is 14 cm. Here OB equals to 7 cm, OB equals to OD, and OC equals to OA equals to 14 cm. So these are 14 cm. This is 14 cm. From O to C. O to C is 14 cm. So we wish to calculate the area of shaded region. So theta is given. So theta is 40 degree. Here it is 40 degree. We can see that there are two sectors. One is OAC is one sector and another sector is OBD. OBD is another sector, next sector. So for calculating area, we can subtract larger sector. We can subtract smaller sector from larger sector. Area of smaller sector means OBD. Area of smaller sector subtract from larger sector OAC. So first we will write the given information. So radii r equals to 7 cm and capital R equals to 14 centimeter. So angle theta equals to 14 degree. Therefore area of shaded region equals to area of sector OAC minus area of sector OBD. That means larger sector minus smaller sector. There are two sectors, one is OAC, another is OBD. So now put the formula theta by 360 degree into pi capital R square for bigger sector minus same theta by 360 degree into pi small letter r for smaller sector R square. So we can take theta by 360 pi common. Theta by 360 into pi is common. Inside the bracket there is R square minus R square. So put the values. Theta is 40 degree. 40 degree divided by 360 degree. What is the value of pi? Pi is 22/7. So R square is 14 square minus 7 square. It is centimeter square. So 0 cut 4144936. So this equals to 1/9 into 22/7. It can be written as a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b, 14 plus 7, 14 minus 7, because it is in the form of a square minus b square, centimeter square. So this equals to 1/9 into 22/7. So 14 plus 7 is 21 into 14 minus 7 is 7 centimeter square. We can put 7 7. 3 3 is a 9. 3 7 is 21. Again 22 into 7 is 154 divided by 3 centimeter square. So this is the answer of question number 2. Okay, this was for today. Thank you.